In this video, I'll show you how to find LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID. A lot of people use the terms LinkedIn username and LinkedIn ID to mean the same thing, but on LinkedIn, they are usually a little different. In most everyday situations, what people really want is their public profile URL, which is the link that normally starts with linkedin.com/in/yourname. The last part of that link is what many people call their LinkedIn username. LinkedIn officially refers to this as your public profile URL or a custom public profile URL. Let's start with how to find it on desktop. Open LinkedIn, click the Me icon at the top, and then click View Profile. On your profile page, LinkedIn shows your public profile URL in the right pane under Public Profile and URL. That link is the easiest thing to copy and share. And the name part at the end is what most people mean when they say LinkedIn username. If you are using the LinkedIn mobile app, the steps are a little different. Open the app, tap your profile photo, then tap it again to open your full profile. After that, tap More, then Contact Info. Under your profile, you will see your public profile URL. That is the link you can copy, and the ending part of that link is the profile name or username people usually look for. Now let's talk about LinkedIn ID. For most regular users, LinkedIn does not present a simple visible number called your personal LinkedIn ID in the same way people expect on some other platforms. In normal use, the easiest identifier to find is your public profile URL, not a separate member ID page in settings. Based on LinkedIn's official help pages, the clearly documented identifier for profiles is the public profile URL. That is the one recruiters, employers, and firms usually want when they ask for your LinkedIn ID. This is an inference from LinkedIn's current help documentation. If you want to make that link cleaner, LinkedIn also lets you edit your custom public profile URL on desktop. On your profile page, open the Edit option next to Public Profile and URL, then edit the last part of the URL and save it. This can make your profile easier to share on resumes, job applications, and email signatures. So the simple answer is this. If someone asks for your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID, the safest thing to give them is usually your public profile link. Open your profile, find the public profile URL, and copy that link or just use the custom name at the end of it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.